Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration, pedestrian alert system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.